How to use Roblox star codes on mobile. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Roblox star codes on your mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Roblox app and wait for it to load. Now once the app is loaded, you have to tap here. Now here scroll down and here in the bottom you will see tap here to add a star code. So to add a star code you have to tap on tap here. Then here enter the star code and tap on add. Now the star code is added. So if you want to remove a star code in future, you can tap on here remove and that star code will be removed. So this is how you can use Roblox star codes on your mobile. Thanks for watching.